Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the world of juicing for better vision and healthier eyes. I'm excited to share with you a delicious and nutritious juice recipe that can help improve your eyesight and overall eye health. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the recipe, let's take a moment to understand why taking care of our eyes is so crucial. Our eyes are one of the most important organs in our body, allowing us to perceive the world around us. However, in today's digital age, we often put a lot of strain on our eyes, whether it's from staring at computer screens, smartphones, or even just being exposed to harsh environmental factors like pollution and UV rays. Over time, this strain can lead to various eye problems such as dry eyes, blurred vision, eye fatigue, headaches, increased risk of cataracts and glaucoma. That's why it's essential to take proactive steps to protect and nourish our eyes. And one of the best ways to do that is through a healthy diet rich in eye-friendly nutrients. Juicing is a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into a single, easy-to-consume beverage. When it comes to eye health, certain fruits and vegetables are particularly beneficial due to their high content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support healthy vision. Some of the key nutrients for eye health include vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing night blindness. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E, another antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Zinc plays a crucial role in the formation of visual pigments in the retina. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help filter out harmful blue light and protect against age-related macular degeneration. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet through juicing, you can give your eyes the support they need to function at their best. Now let's get to the star of the show, our vision-boosting juice recipe. This delicious blend is packed with eye-friendly ingredients that will help nourish and protect your eyes from the inside out. Ingredients: 2 carrots, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of kale, 1 orange, 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 small beet, 1 cup of water, optional for consistency. Instructions: wash and prep your ingredients. Peel the carrots and orange and chop them into pieces that will fit through your juicer's feed tube. Feed the ingredients through your juicer one at a time, starting with the leafy greens, spinach and kale, followed by the carrots, orange, ginger, and beet. If the juice is too thick, you can add a cup of water to help thin it out and make it easier to drink. Stir the juice well and enjoy immediately for maximum nutritional benefits. Let's break down why these ingredients are so great for your eyes. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision. Spinach and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Oranges provide a hefty dose of vitamin C, which helps protect your eyes from free radical damage. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce eye strain and fatigue. Beets contain nitrates that improve blood flow to the eyes, helping to deliver essential nutrients and oxygen. By drinking this juice regularly, you'll be giving your eyes a powerful boost of nutrients that can help improve your vision, reduce eye strain, and protect against age-related eye problems. Incorporating this vision-boosting juice into your daily routine is easy. Simply make a batch in the morning and drink it as part of your breakfast, or enjoy it as a refreshing midday snack. In addition to juicing, there are other habits you can adopt to support your eye health. Practice the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This helps reduce eye strain from prolonged screen time. Wear sunglasses. Protect your eyes from harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses when you're outdoors. Maintain a balanced diet. In addition to juicing, make sure you're eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to provide your eyes with a wide range of nutrients. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps prevent dry eyes and keeps your eyes lubricated and comfortable. There you have it, folks. A delicious and nutritious juice recipe that can help improve your vision and keep your eyes healthy for years to come. Remember, taking care of your eyes is essential for maintaining a high quality of life. So make sure to prioritize your eye health by incorporating this juice and other eye-friendly habits into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from this information. And if you have any questions or want to share your own eye health tips, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep juicing for better vision and a healthier you.